Is this another day? I think this is another day. It's later into the evening and I am working on the lower bed platform right now. So the upper bed platform is in really good shape, totally usable. Lower bed platform, it's 2 pieces instead of 3, and instead of 2 side rails, it has a side rail and a side frame. So anyway, this right here is what that side frame is gonna look like. Those are the dimensions, and then up top you can get a little bit closer and see the angle cut there. So anyway, yeah, I'm just working on cutting these guys, right? So I got a 45 on one end, I've got a 29 on the other, and that's gonna make this corner right here. Anyway, yeah, I'm just getting going on that. The side rails right here, one here, there'll be one way over here, which is not in the drawing. Those are both 1.5 inches, and then the rest of this is 1.25 inches. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna start cutting some angles and getting it all ready to weld. I don't know that I'll weld it till tomorrow, but anyway, we're leaving tomorrow. I'm gonna try and get it all cut up tonight, and then I'll call it a night. Here we go. All right, it's actually a new day here in the shop. Yeah, we're supposed to leave today. I'm trying to get this lower bed ready to use. So anyway, there's a little bit of welding going on there, right? I'm gonna grind the back flush so it mounts up against the L-track nice. Couple of nice little beads, I'll wire wheel those. But anyway, this right here is the passenger side rail. This will bolt right up to the passenger side vertical L-track. This guy here, it's not completely done, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna weld on those side tabs like I just did. Those go on next, and then I'll level that guy out in between the two, and I'll measure the leg lengths. All right, so I think I have most everything ready for this bed install. Anyway, I have ground down 2 L-track stud washers. Basically they were 1/4 inch, now they're 16. Reason for this is that the van is not linear, so it's a little bit wider at the back by about 1/4 inch than it is at the front. That guy and one of these stock ones, so a thick one and a thin one, I can go ahead and make up some of that skewedness from the side of the van. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and install both these rails, get them at the right height. I'm gonna get them level from side to side, and then I'm gonna measure down for the posts for the driver's side bed frame. So anyway, yeah, just bear with me, throw it into fast forward and figure this thing out. Okay, so got the frame done for the bed. That's looking pretty good. It's a little bit different what I've done before. Anyway, I traced it onto this plywood. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, get it ready. Here we go. All right, so the bed platform works real well. Got this driver's side dialed in. Anyway, I need to make one adjustment to the back of this passenger side. So you see how it's coming straight out? It's perpendicular to the run of the van. Anyway, I need to kick that guy out. I think 29 degrees. Needs to match this guy. Yeah, I need to kick that guy out, and then this panel here will actually flip-flop over onto this one. So I'll double check and make sure this panel works. After I fix the steel, we'll go ahead and cut another panel, and then we have 2 beds. As you can see, we have driver's side bed, passenger bed. So if you're traveling, you could put bikes in here. You can take this passenger side, flop it over onto the driver's side. You could put in 4 mountain bikes. Anyway, works super well. You take all the beds out, you can take everything. None of this is built in permanent. It's all on L-track. It's all super adjustable to your needs. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the back of that passenger side support, and then I'll double check, make sure this fits, and then I'll cut another one, and then we'll clean this bad boy up and start packing and getting ready to go because we're leaving here shortly. All right, I got the back end of that bracket dialed in. So you can see it's cut at an angle-ish. Kind of hard to see, but anyway, matches this guy over here, just shorter. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can flip this over. All right, so that's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead, pull this plywood out and go cut another one, same shape, exact. And yeah, then we're moving on. All right, here we go. All right, so if you see imperfections like this, even though they're large and there's a lot of scarring or whatever going on, anyway, don't worry about it. That just all gets filled in. What you really want on these larger lower bed panels is the curve to be up at both ends. And when you screw it down, it flattens it out. All right, 2 beds done. Yeah, time to clean the van, pack up, hit the road. Yeah, that's a 2-panel lower bed. You can see the 3-panel upper bed. All right, things are looking good. Got the beds dialed in. Anyway, I got a lot of cleanup to do. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Clean up the shop, clean up the van, hit the road. All right, we got the van ready. Got the bench seat in here, right? Triple bench is back. That's cool stuff. And then got the upper bed, got the lower bed. We got some L-track attachments. Anyway, we'll be able to hook up the lights, have them kind of dangling or duct taped or whatever. And yeah, we got 5 seat belts right now, 5 seats, and we have sleeping for 5. We only need 4, so we're dialed. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bike rack on, and yeah, good to go. Hey, hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.